Okay, so I'm making some greens for the lamb shanks that I have braising. And what I did basically was, I like making my greens with coconut oil. And it's just, to me, it's more flavorful. And gives that little hint, the sweetness. And if you can't have coconut, then get some other oil, extra virgin olive oil, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil to that. And I basically sauteed it with a half onion. And then I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of my garlic salt. Instead of using regular salt, I'm going to put garlic salt in there. So don't put salt and then garlic salt. It's just too much sodium, which kills the flavor, and that's not what you want to do. And then what I'm going to do is add some lemon. This is a really easy way. Take that seed out. Fresh lemon. Just add a squeeze of lemon. And then, yeah. And that's how I like my greens. If I want to do a quick way. Now, oops, you see all those seeds? You don't want those in there. So take them out. And take out all those seeds. Discard them. And then just kind of, and there you have it. And then if you want to add, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to that. Add just a little bit of pepper. Okay. And then you want to try them. Basically try them. Add the pepper, and then you try them. And you don't have to have, I mean, I'm probably going to add a little bit of moisture in there, because I don't want them to dry out. Oh yeah, nice and crispy and flavorful. Just a little bit of stock in there. And that's it. You don't have to cook your greens all day. This makes, they're nice, they're crunchy, they're flavorful, and they have a lot of nutrition because it hasn't been boiled out. And then you have your nice greens. And I would serve this, I'm baking a sweet potato with the lamb and even rice, or a baked potato, or just some potatoes if you'd like to, or just have it like that. Some garlic bread would be really good with that, and you have a nice meal. Okay.